Hello and welcome to Chumster Parenting and Marriage Talks. I'm so glad you're here. We'll explore topics to help you build stronger family bonds. Being too nice in your marriage might be the reason it is slowly falling apart. Yes, being nice, always agreeing, always avoiding problems, always trying to keep the peace. It may look like love, but it is not always healthy. When you are too nice, you stop being real. You hide your feelings, you ignore what hurts you, and slowly you start losing yourself. And when respect is lost, love begins to fade. A strong marriage is not built on silence. It is built on honesty, on truth, on saying what needs to be said, even when it is uncomfortable. Stop trying to be too nice. Start being real. Speak up with respect. Set boundaries, because peace without truth is not peace at all.